In this video, we will learn about the standard input stream and the extraction operator. Essentially, these allow us to obtain input from the user. For this first example, we will prompt the user to enter their name and store the value that they enter in a variable. At the top of the program, we need to include the string header file. Let's create a string variable called name that we initialize to an empty string. After that, we will output the string enter your name to the console. After that, we will type cin and then two closing angular brackets. Cin is the standard input stream. It is essentially the opposite of cout. The two closing angular brackets are referred to as the extraction operator and are used along with cin to obtain user input. We want to store what the user types in the name variable, so we will type name. Finally, we will output the string you entered and then the value of the name variable to the console. In order to be able to input a value into the code when it is run, we need to run it from the terminal. To do this, we can press Ctrl-Shift and the upper left key on the keyboard with the squiggly line and accent mark. From there, we type make and then the name of the file. In my case, that is example. Then we will hit the enter key to run the command. This will compile the file. Finally, we will run the code by typing // and then the name of the file. When we run the code, notice that we are prompted to enter our name, and when we input something and hit enter, the program tells us the name that we entered. For the next example, we will create an int variable named number that we assign an initial value of 0. Then we will prompt the user to enter a number. After that, we will store the value that the user inputs into the number variable. Then we will output the string number doubled is, followed by number times 2 to the console. Let's save the file. Then we will open up the terminal with the hotkey combo we learned earlier. Next, we will run the make command on our file, and then the run command. When we run the code, notice that we can type a number, and then when we hit enter, the number that we typed in is doubled.